Here's how to set up Google Authenticator for Facebook. Now open up the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android, or even a computer. And we need to get to your settings first to initiate the Google Authenticator code. So to do that, we're going to tap on the menu button at the bottom right here. Keep in mind on Android, it might be at the top right. From here, let's get to your settings. So tap on the gear icon and see more in Account Center. Now within here, you're able to modify your password or even the phone number that you get texted a code. But we can set up a Google Authenticator code as well, which is the most secure way to log in. To be able to do that, let's tap on Password and Security and then Two-Factor Authentication. And of course, this is for Facebook. Now within here, you can see I have SMS set up, but it does recommend an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or any other one. So let's tap on Authenticating App here, and you'll be able to see when I tap on it, it will bring me and show me a code. You can see it says basically copy this code and enter this into your Google Authenticator app. I'll show you how this works and how to set it up with Google Authenticator and verify it back into Facebook. So let's hit the copy key here. And after we've copied that, let's open up Google Authenticator. If you haven't already, just download it from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Now from here, let's add Facebook to this list. You can see Instagram is already on this list. So let's tap on the plus at the bottom right and enter a setup key. Now all we're gonna do is name this Facebook. And then we're gonna hit your key and just paste this in and hit add. However, after you've done that, you need to do one other step and verify this back again on Facebook. So you can see under Facebook, there's a 6-digit code. I can tap on it to copy it. And then I'll go back to Facebook, tap on the next button, and I'm gonna paste in this code and hit next. By doing so, I verified both on Facebook as well as Google Authenticator, everything with these codes. And you can see now the Authenticator app is good to go and I can always log in. To be able to log in, all you need to do is open up the Authenticator app here and you'll be able to see the little clock widget on the right will constantly refresh these codes. You can just copy that code and paste it into Facebook to be able to log into your account.